Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use controllers on your Huawei FreeBuds SE second. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded Huawei AI Live app on your smartphone. Now go in this app. Also make sure that you are connected to this app via Bluetooth. Find your device, tap on it. Here find the parameter gestures, go there, and here you can set up your controllers as you like. So for the left button you can choose previous zone, next zone, or any other parameter from the list. I'm gonna choose play and pause the music. You can do it for the right button as well. Now go in triple tap, and here you can set up your controllers as you like as well. So you can choose previous zone or none. Also, when pressing and holding the controller, you can reject the call. Go to any music app you have, in my case it will be Samsung Music. Take your left earbud and now double tap on the controller to play a song. Great, now double tap again to pause. Now, triple tap on the left earbud to move to the next song. Perfect. Take your right earbud and double tap to wake voice assistant. But as you can see, you need to sign up first. Go back, choose a song, and now triple tap to go to the previous song. Great, so as you can see, everything is working correctly, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.